అఖిల భారత యోజన సమైక్య జాతీయ ప్రధాన మహాసభలను విజయవంతంగా 7 నుంచి 10 వరకు నిర్వహించుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఆ మహాసభలో దాదాపు దేశవ్యాప్తంగా 700 పైగా డెలిగేట్స్ పాల్గొన్నారు. పాల్గొన్న తర్వాత సుదీర్ఘంగా చర్చించిన తర్వాత అనేక అంశాలపై ప్రస్తుతం ఈ భారతదేశంలో ఉన్నటువంటి యువత ఎదుర్కొంటున్న సమస్యలపై, అదేవిధంగా ఈ సమాజంలో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని సమస్యలపై సుదీర్ఘంగా చర్చించిన తర్వాత ఒక భవిష్యత్తు కార్యాచరణకి పిలిపియడం జరిగింది. ఆ అన్ని విషయాలపై అదే కాకుండా ఒక నూతన కమిటీని కూడా ఎన్నుకోవడం జరిగింది. దానిలో భాగంగానే పంజాబ్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి సుఖేందర్ మహేశ్వరిని అధ్యక్షునిగా, ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శిగా తమిళనాడుకు సంబంధించినటువంటి తిరుమలై రామన్, అదేవిధంగా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఉపాధ్యక్షునిగా నన్ను డాక్టర్ సయ్యద్ వలీవుల్లా ఖాద్రీని, అదేవిధంగా సహాయ కార్యదర్శిగా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి అనిల్ కుమార్కి, అదేవిధంగా దాదాపు కొన్ని రాష్ట్రాలకు సంబంధించినటువంటి ఆఫీస్ బేరర్లను కూడా ఎన్నుకోవడం జరిగింది. అన్ని విషయాలపై ఆ మహాసభల్లో 4 రోజులు ఏం చర్చించాం, ఎట్లాంటి కార్యాచరణ తీసుకున్నాం, అసలు ఈ దేశంలో యువత అదే అఖిల భారత యోజన సమైక్య అభివృద్ధి కోసం ఎట్లాంటి ఉద్యమాలు చేయబోతున్నాం అనేది దాని మీద ఇప్పుడు జాతీయ అధ్యక్షులు సుఖేందర్ మహేశ్వరి గారిని సారీ ఈ ప్రెస్ మీట్లో విక్కీ మహేశ్వరి అఖిల భారత విద్యార్థి సమైక్య జాతీయ ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శిని, అదేవిధంగా తిరుమలై రామన్ నూతనంగా ఎన్నుకున్నటువంటి అఖిల భారత యోజన సమైక్య జాతీయ ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి, అదేవిధంగా మొన్నటిదాకా అఖిల భారత యోజన సమైక్యకి జాతీయ అధ్యక్షుడు ఆఫ్తాబ్ ఆలం ఖాన్, అదేవిధంగా నూతనంగా ఎన్నుకున్నటువంటి అఖిల భారత యోజన సమైక్యకి అధ్యక్షునిగా సుఖేందర్ మహేశ్వరి, అదేవిధంగా మరిపాక అనిల్ కుమార్, అదేవిధంగా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ఆఫీస్ బేరర్ శ్రీకాంత్, వీళ్ళందరూ ఈ మా సమావేశంలో పాల్గొంటున్నారు. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఈ సమావేశం ఉద్దేశాన్ని వివరించాలని ఫస్ట్ తిరుమలై రామన్ జాతీయ ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి మాట్లాడతారు.
Friends, good morning to all of you, print media people who have gathered here. I am thanking you for covering the news about our national conference of AIYF, and we need and seek your help always to reach out the people. Comrades, 16th National Conference of All India Youth Federation was held in Hyderabad at Rohit Vemula Nagar in Soni Tengamam Hall for 4 days from 7th to 10th January 2022. In this national conference, around 650 delegates participated in this conference. The norms of COVID-19 was imposed and there was separate arrangement to maintain the social physical distance among the people, and as per the protocol we conducted this conference with 2 meeting halls with screen display. So this conference was a successful conference. In this conference, around 650 delegates from all over the country, particularly from 24 states, they participated in this conference. In this conference, there was presidium and leadership and state leadership all took part in this conference. After a long debate on political, socio-economic conditions of India and the problems of youth particularly was discussed in this meeting. After thorough discussion on report submitted by the General Secretary. It was thoroughly discussed and various resolutions were passed in this conference. After resolutions, we have taken future task to be done in the organization, in the public domain and everywhere. So AIYF, in this conference, new leadership has been elected. After particularly, I want to explain about the resolutions. On various resolutions, education is totally being privatized. That should be stopped. This is the one of the resolution. And healthcare system in India is so weak and is not useful or helpful for the people. So we demanded a comprehensive health care protection for every citizen of India. We demanded on particularly this conference discussed on two issues. One is reservation in private sector and employment. And the third, another one important issue is electoral reforms. On reservation in private sector, because it should be extended to the private sector, because the job opportunity in government sector and public sector only this reservation is implemented, but it is very limited of opportunity. So more than 90% of the job opportunity is from private sector. So reservation should be extended to private sector also. This is one of the most important resolutions passed by our national conference. Second, employment. Banega, Bhagat Singh National Employment Guarantee Act should be enacted in the parliament to provide job opportunity. Till they are getting jobs, they should be provided remuneration fund or jobless allowance to the youth, unemployed youth, because for their livelihood they need money. Minimum 15,000 rupees per month should be provided to the unemployed youth. This is another second resolution, important resolution. Third resolution is electoral reforms. This election in India has become very undemocratic and farcical, is pro-rich and anti-poor people. So we want proportional representation system of election. This system should be implemented. And FPTP is totally copied from Britain. So it is not well applicable to Indian condition, because India is of different culture, different languages, different caste, different regional characters and religion and so on so. So this pluralistic country in India, that FPTP first passed the post-electoral system is not yielding any result and it is not good for the democracy. So we want proportional representation system or coupled with FPTP and proportional representation, both system. So that these are the main important demands, and other demands also, that there was resolutions on other demands. In these resolutions, these copies are here, we will distribute you, and I request all of you to print and help us to reach out the people. And at the last session of the conference, new leadership was elected. The 105 is the maximum number of general council. Out of 105, 95 general council members were elected in the conference. Out of 95 elected general council members, 33 NWC member, National Working Committee members elected. In this NWC, a national leadership was elected. Comrade Sukhjinder Maheshwari was elected national president. He was newly elected, and Comrade Thirumalai Raman got re-elected as General Secretary of AIYF. And other 4 national vice presidents were elected. One Comrade Samorjit from Manipur, and Dr. Waliullah Qadri from Telangana, and Dr. Amrita Pathak from Delhi, and one more comrade were elected vice presidents of AIYF. And no. Okay. National secretaries, 4 national secretaries were elected. In these 4 national secretaries, Comrade T.T. Jisman from Kerala, and Comrade Anil Kumar from Telangana, Comrade Lenin Babu from Andhra Pradesh, and Comrade Roshan Kumar Sinha from Bihar. They were elected as national secretaries. Along with this secretariat, Abakash Sahu from Odisha was elected vice president. 4 vice presidents and 4 national secretaries and 1 national president and 1 general secretary. This secretariat was elected, and finally there was a big political resolution. In the coming assembly elections to the 5 states, AIYF decided to campaign and strengthen the propagation against the BJP party and the BJP's ruling governments, and for secular parties. AIYF decided to work for the victory of the secular democratic forces and to defeat communal BJP forces in the election. This is our immediate main task decided by this conference. In future, and again the General Council will meet and then will take several decisions and future plan. These are the important issues, and Comrade Aftaf Alam Khan is an outgoing president. He was working since last conference to this conference, he was working as the president. Now he got relieved, and a new president, Comrade Sukhjinder Maheshwari, has been elected. And myself, Thirumalai Raman, got re-elected as General Secretary. And with this leadership, new leadership will work together and will go to the people, and we will try our best to strengthen our AIYF organization all over the country. These are the important messages of AIYF 16th National Conference. Now I request Comrade Sukhjinder Maheshwari, National President, to say some few words.